Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're taking a close look at the Cat Style Kit Temporary Tattoos, which claim to be the best cat face tattoos for anyone looking to unleash their inner feline. If you're ready to add a touch of whimsy to your costume or just want to try something fun, this kit might be exactly what you're looking for. The Cat Style Kit comes with everything you need to create the perfect cat look. Included in the set are 2 whisker tattoos, 4 nose tattoos, and even cat ears and a tail to complete your transformation. These tattoos are skin safe and made in the USA, ensuring quality and safety with every application. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to apply. Simply place the tattoo on your skin, dampen it with a cloth, and within seconds, you have a flawless cat whisker design that will stay intact all night. What's even better about these tattoos is their durability. They're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them smearing or fading away, even if you're washing your face or enjoying a drink. In fact, they can last anywhere between 5 to 7 days, making them perfect for a multi-day event or Halloween costume that lasts all weekend. The Cat Style Kit tattoos are not only easy to apply, but they're also easy to remove. Whether you're done with your costume or just want to switch up your look, simply use a makeup remover or even hand sanitizer to wipe them off effortlessly. For over 20 years, Fashiontats has been a leading supplier of temporary tattoos in the US, and this kit is another example of their commitment to quality. With more than 50 million tattoos sold, they are a trusted brand in the temporary tattoo industry, ensuring satisfaction with every purchase. The tattoo designs themselves are simple yet effective. The whiskers and nose tattoos are the perfect size, providing just the right amount of cat-like charm without overwhelming your face. The cat ears and tail are a fun addition, giving you that full cat persona that makes this kit ideal for costume parties, Halloween, or even just for fun photo shoots. Overall, the Cat Style Kit temporary tattoos are a great option for anyone looking for a fun, easy, and temporary way to create a cat-inspired look. They're skin-safe, durable, and offer easy application and removal, which makes them a top choice for anyone who loves temporary tattoos. If you're ready to show off your inner cat, this kit could be the perfect choice for you.